Welcome back, users. After a lapse of one day, I am again starting to upload videos from today. So, in today's video, we will check out the installation of Fedora KDE Live version 35, that is Fedora 35 KDE Live. So, let us start. I already have the ISO with me because I was using this ISO few months back. So, most of the distros that I am showcasing on the channel have been used by me at least for 15 days. So some I have used for months together. Some of the distros I have used for 15 days, 1 month or 2 months. So let us start. Right click and open it with boxes. So search for the Fedora template. It is there. Go next. Increase the RAM size to allocation size to 4 and virtual HDD size to 25 GB. Enable EFI. Then hit the create button. So you can test the media, but we will not test the media because this is a review. We will directly start the Fedora KDE live session. So we are now booted into a live session of Fedora KDE 35. So we will directly start the installation process, and in the next video we will do the detailed review of Fedora KDE 35 version. So let us double click on the installer icon. So this is the Anaconda installer for Fedora KDE. We select the English language, English India, because this is my local. Now in the installation destination, we can do automatic if you have got a new hard disk, or if you are okay with automatic partitioning of your system HDD. It is you can select automatic. You can go to custom, and you can go to advanced custom bleed GUI. So I prefer this. So we hit the advanced custom bleed GUI, and then we hit the done button once. So this opens the partitioner. So here we select the free space and then hit add button, and for the boot section we will do a 300 MB boot. It should be a EFI partition, system partition. So mount point should be boot slash boot slash EFI. We need not encrypt. If you want, you can do encrypt also. So you can change the partition type wherever possible. Here the EFI boot is always a primary partition, so you will not able to change the partition type. If you want, you can do encryption also, but not needed. This is a just review. So we hit the OK button. Now we again do say 8 GB 4. Okay, so we do 4 GB of swap space. So here also, that if you want, you can add the label. I don't think that's necessary because already we can see it is a swap area when you open the partitioner. So by primary partition type is primary by default. You cannot change it, and hit OK button. Then again go select the free space, again add. So rest of the HDD, that is 20.7 GB, is to be done with the file system. So you can do extended 4 or anything. So let us, for this review, let us do BTRFS. And for mount point, you have to do a forward slash. So advanced options are not available. By default, it is a primary partition. If you want, you can encrypt. So encryption type is lux1 or lux2. So you can add the password here, the passphrase. So we will not select the encrypt method. Just simple file system BTRFS. Select OK. I think we are now done with the partitioning, and now hit the done button twice. Okay, now it is on the first click, it is giving me a summary of changes. So destroy the format of the virtual HDD, create the uh, formats and create the devices. So it is giving VDA 1, 2, 3. These are our 3 partitions, and it will create a BTRFS volume on VDA 3. That is our root partition. Okay. So it will create a format EA5 system partition format on VDA1, that is the boot slash boot slash EA5. That's it. And for the swap, it will create a swap area on the VDA2 partition. So we accept the changes. We are done. Now root account. So there are two options: either to disable the root account or to enable the root account. What is happen if we disable the root account? Then the user will be added to the administration will is the group of the administrator. So it will be added, the user will be added to the will group or the administrator group. And if we enable the root, then the user can take the root access using the sudo command. And even in the and else, what we can do is we can use the su command to enter into a root session and then execute the privilege commands. So we will have some password here, simple password right now, just it is review purpose. So we have created the root account. You have to remember this password. You can remember it, or you can write down in some secret place. We enter done. So we will have to enter done again. So now user creation will be not done right now. After the first boot, you will have to create the user, and then you will boot into the system. So let us begin the installation. So Fedora KDE live ISO is only 1.8 GB in size. So it packs the vanilla KDE desktop. So not many applications, no games, anything. We will see. So there are minimum of games, nothing, no extra bloatware is there. It is clean, so user can build upon that clean installation. So he can install whatever software he likes upon the base clean install, that is vanilla install of Fedora KDE. So this is a very good idea from the Fedora developers to give a clean vanilla system to the user, and then user can decorate, user can do customizations, user can install extra software as per his wishes and liking. And Fedora, all the spins and Fedora workstation, that is the flagship GNOME desktop, all are very stable. I have used the Fedora for years. So even in updates there are no issues, and if there are issues during the big updates from one version to other, there are methods to solve the upgrade problems from the terminal itself. So in some of the videos I will show you how to correct the package issues during the major upgrade. So in some video later, maybe next month or sometime later. See, the Anaconda software installer is very fast. No, though not faster like the MX Linux. MX Linux is the most fastest installer in the Linux world. So already you see you have installed about 94% of the software. Then it will configure the system, then do the creation of init ramfs, then copy the log files, and then we will reboot into the new system. After that we will close the video, and in the next video we will do the review. So I think next video will also be released today itself, or maybe today evening I will release it, and you can watch it later. So installation of bootloader is going on. It's quite fast. Though it is a VM, I think I think in 5 minutes we have done the installation. So installation is about to complete. Now, interesting thing to see here, the time given is 1 hour 48 minutes in the early morning. So you see, this is the installer. We have not done the date and time setting, and it is picking up the UTC time, not the Indian Standard Time (IST). It is picking the UTC time. That's why, because right now in India it is around 11:18 in morning. So the installation now completes. We stop our video here. In the next video, we will do the detailed review of the Fedora KDE desktop. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you.